Hello, welcome to English Chats with Felix. I'm Felix. I make listening practice videos so you can practice your listening and understanding. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Today, I'm going to talk about traveling. Traveling is something I think everybody should do at least once in their life. I think it's important to see how other people live. Traveling can be very expensive. You have to pay for plane tickets, the hotel, the transportation, the food. Before you travel, you have to plan your trip. For me, planning a trip can be very fun. I like to read about the destination. I like to research about the culture, the monuments, the nightlife, the food, and the parks. When I travel, I like to find the best deals on plane tickets and hotels. Sometimes I prefer to stay in an Airbnb instead of a hotel. At an Airbnb, there is more privacy, and usually there is a living room with a sofa to relax. When I travel, I love to try the typical foods from that country. Eating new foods is a must when I travel. I am a foodie. I usually don't like to travel to big cities. I have traveled to Rome, London, and Paris, and I didn't like them as much as smaller cities. I think if you are traveling to a big city for a weekend, it can be overwhelming. I like to travel with people. I don't like to travel alone. I'm not scared to travel alone. I think it can be boring and a little lonely. Some people prefer and love to travel alone. Maybe one day I'll do a solo trip. A solo trip is when you travel alone. Traveling in Europe is very nice. Everything is nearby, and sometimes it can be cheap. For example, you can fly from Spain to Italy in only 2 hours. Sometimes you can find a round-trip ticket for only 20 euros. One time, I traveled from Madrid to Toulouse, France, for only 20 euros. It was amazing and cheap. Traveling in the United States can be different. It is a very big country, so flights can be very expensive. And because the country is so big, the flights can be very long. For example, a flight from Los Angeles to New York is about 6 hours. I have only traveled to Europe, North America, and Africa. In the future, I want to travel to Asia. I have family in Indonesia. Maybe in a couple years, I will go and visit them. Okay, we're finished. In the comments, name a country that you want to visit and why. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Here you can click to subscribe or you can click to practice more. All right, see you next time. Bye.